Hi everyone, this is Mansi. I'm an online student at IIG in jewelry designing. So I started a year back, and the journey has been truly phenomenal. I started with drawing basic lines, and coming to the point where I completed the portfolio and participated in a bunch of competitions is truly unbelievable. I think what I like is that despite the course being online, which I was very apprehensive about, the faculty has been extremely supportive. For every small doubt and query, we have shared it over WhatsApp and other mediums to the faculty, and they have been extremely responsive, regardless of the time of the day. And that gives us as students a lot of encouragement, when our doubts are getting solved pretty much in real time to do more and learn more. The institute also pushed me, the teachers here pushed me to participate in some of the competitions, national level competitions, which I really didn't think joining, just 3 months before, 3 months back, that I would be able to even participate. I got nominated and finalist in a few of them and managed to win one of the international awards. So that experience was truly once in a lifetime moment for me. And it was all thanks to IIG and the faculty here to push me to achieve my true potential. Um, I think overall it has been a great journey, and I, really look forward to giving back to the IOG community in whichever possible way. So thank you, and good luck to all the students and to those who are considering to join. Please go ahead; it's a great place to be.